Hello and welcome to the Craft Bar. I'm showing you a beautiful collaged wall hanging that my mom made for her grandson, and it is super cute. He is a big fan of the Texas Stars, a hockey team here outside of Austin, and as you can see, she's made the beautiful icy rink on the background here. That is a piece of paper, and she decoupaged it down, and then it's already got the hockey stripes on it, and then she added some sayings. I think she got these from a sticker set. She is not, and neither of us know anything about hockey terminology. So let me know in the comments if we should have added anything, or if these comments are wrong, or the sayings. You missed 100%. That's true. We know that already. And I guess that's a little play pattern. Super fun. Like it. This is a Dollar Tree project. She got this square of wood at the Dollar Tree. She painted it flat black. She did the sides as well. She decoupaged a 12 by 12 piece of paper onto it. She added in her sayings. Life is better off the ice. Shut your five hole. She added stickers and decoupaged all of that down nice and solid. We got a Texas Stars logo here, and then added two hanging brads on the back. So a very easy, very, very affordable way to create a very fun, memorable thing for a wall hanging for someone that you love, especially to showcase a hobby or a favorite activity for themselves. So thanks for joining us. Like and subscribe. We've got other cute, quick craft projects to feature. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon.